Hello friends, a very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to remove any kind of black magic with salt pieces, means small salt pieces, how to finish any kind of black magic. In this video, my dear brothers and sisters, I have got small pieces of salt with me. I am not sure whether you are able to see them or not. Let me just show you. Look at, these are the salt pieces. You need equivalent to your age. For instance, you are 30 years of age, then you have to have 30 pieces of salt and a one candle like this, it's with me already, and one piece of white paper which is already with me, and a one black marker. So in total you need 4 items: one white piece of paper, one small white color candle, then the number of salt pieces as per your age. These are the items which you need. So I'm going to start this work for you from the beginning. In this, first of all, you are going to make a circle. Then you are going to divide the circle into eight equal parts as I have done. Then you are going to divide the circle into 8 equal parts as I have done. On this circle you are going to write 1. Remember to write the numbers as it is I am writing. Then you are going to write 4. In the next quadrant 6. It has to be 8, sorry, then there has to be 6. Then there has to be 3. It has to have 7. It has to have 5. And it must have 2. This is the circle which you are going to draw, and you are going to write the numbers as I have written. Make sure that you are starting with this one which is just under the diameter. This is the big one, is the diameter. After this, you are going to make 2 small faces. One here and one here. After this, look at the faces. One is smiling and other one is the smiling one, and other one is having its tongue out. So this is the person we are targeting, or we are believing that this is the person who has done this black magic. And this is way that we are not getting impacted with this black magic. We are going to make a moon, a kind of a half moon. Then we are going to make a river like this. On this side we are going to make shining sun. and birds are flying, that everything is okay. Once you have done this, don't forget to cross this person. After this, you are going to take these pieces of salt, that is if you are 30 years of age, you are going to take 30 pieces and you are going to make circle over this face. For instance, I have just taken 5 for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are going to make the circles or rounds equal to your age. If you are 30 years, you are going to make 30 circles. If you are 40 years of age, then you are going to make 40 circles. After this, you are going to fold this piece of paper 4 times. And make sure that the 30 salt pieces, which were the grains, are into this paper, and we are going to burn this piece of paper with this. We are going to burn this piece of paper with this candle, and we are going to think that whosoever has done this black magic ये काफी कट है क्योंकि आवाज बीच में कट हो गई थी, तो मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ. Once you have folded it 4 times, you make sure the 30 grains of salt are in this paper only. After this, you are going to take this candle and you are going to burn this piece of paper along with this candle, and will be thinking that whatever black magic was done on me, it should go away permanently. It should not come back to me. It should affect the same person whosoever has done this to me. I am not burning this paper right now, but in reality, when you are practicing this spell, you must have to burn this paper. After that, you need to collect the ashes, the remaining ones of this paper, and you have to put in the running water or in your backyard or at some faraway place where no one can see it. Believe me, in 24 hours, all the negative energy, all the negative energy, all the negative aura which was there around you will be washed away permanently, and you would be getting all the results. It's time for me to leave now. If you have any other doubt or if you want to ask any question, please feel free to ask on the number which is there on the screen. Till that, you take care. God bless you. Bye bye.